Have you ever felt stiff right after you wake up from bed? Not pain, not injury, just that tight, heavy feeling in your back, your shoulders, your body. You move a little and it starts getting better, but the next morning it's back again. Same stiffness, same pattern. And this is where most people get it wrong. They think it's age. They think something is wearing out, but that pattern is your biggest clue. Your body doesn't hate movement, it hates sudden movement. If this happens to you, this video will make it very clear why. Welcome to Fit, Eat, Fuel. In today's video, we'll break down why your body feels stiff in the morning and 2 simple movements that can help you fix it the right way. A few days ago, early in the morning, someone told me, "I feel fine during the day, but mornings feel worse every week." There was no injury, no heavy workout, just waking up and feeling older than they actually are. And this is where most people get it completely wrong. Your body hasn't moved for 6 to 8 hours. Your joints haven't gone bad overnight, and your body hasn't suddenly aged overnight. But when you stay still for that long, movement inside the joint slows down. Circulation drops slightly, and everything feels stiff when you restart movement. That's why it feels worse in the morning and better after a few minutes. And this doesn't just happen in the morning. You sit for a while, then stand up and feel stiff again. You stay inactive for some time, then suddenly move, and your body resists for a few seconds. Then it eases. That pattern is not random. It's your body reacting to sudden movement after being still. Your body doesn't hate movement, it hates sudden movement. The problem is not that your body is weak, and it's not just age. The bigger problem is how you're entering movement. Over time, this creates a loop. You wake up stiff, you move a bit and it improves, you sit again and it returns. Slowly, you start believing something is wrong with your body. But in most cases, nothing is actually damaged. Your body just hasn't been reminded to move often enough. Joints don't stay comfortable because of one workout. They stay comfortable because of regular, gentle movement. Most people either ignore the stiffness or try to fix it with aggressive stretching or heavy exercise. When that doesn't work immediately, they assume the problem is bigger than it actually is. But your body doesn't need intensity first. It needs familiarity. It needs to feel movement again slowly and without pressure. If your stiffness lasts more than 30 to 60 minutes every morning or keeps getting worse over time, that's something you should get checked by a doctor. So instead of doing nothing or jumping into intense stretching, start with simple, controlled movement. If you have existing joint issues, recent injury, or severe pain, check with a professional before trying new movements. Start by standing comfortably. Gently lift your shoulders up and slowly relax them down. That's 1 repetition. Let's do 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can repeat this for 2 to 3 sets. Spread through the day if needed. Stay seated on the chair. Slowly lift one leg forward a little and then lower it back down. This is 1 repetition. Let's do 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now switch to the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift only as far as comfortable. As this becomes easier, you can slowly work up to 10 to 15 repetitions per leg. That counts as 1 set. And again, you may do 2 to 3 sets during the day, based on your comfort and ability. Now let's move to something slightly more effective. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lean slightly forward and slowly stand up. Pause for a moment, then slowly sit back down. That's 1 repetition. Let's do 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do 2 to 3 sets across the day depending on your comfort. Move slowly and use your hands if needed. This helps your body relearn how to handle movement after being still. These movements are simple on purpose. Most people think they need something more intense to fix stiffness. More exercises, more effort, more force. But stiffness usually doesn't come from a lack of effort. It comes from a lack of consistent, gentle movement. Your body responds better to small reminders repeated regularly than to occasional bursts of intensity. Doing this once won't change much. But doing this every morning, and even repeating small movements during the day, starts to change how your body feels. Transitions become smoother. Movement feels easier. Stiffness shows up less often. You don't need to chase flexibility immediately, and you don't need to push through discomfort. You just need to keep movement present. Over time, your body adapts to that. On Fit, Eat, Fuel, we don't focus on intense routines. We focus on simple, repeatable movements that actually fit into your daily life. If you want your body to feel better not just in the morning, but throughout the day, subscribe to Fit, Eat, Fuel and stay consistent with us. Start simple, move gently, and stay consistent. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.